Well, here's another update on the Aqualink 2.0 and the Jandy Aqua RS controller. So I want to use these relays in the bottom. These relays here, there's 4 of them. I want to use those to control the speeds in the pump. One relay is used up already for the pool light, so it leaves 3 of them. So I could use 3 speeds. This relay here is wired to AC, and it was used to turn on the pool pump formerly, and it turned on the Aquapure. So I've removed the Aquapure parts, which were huge and causing me a lot of confusion, as I didn't really know what they were for. So now I know, and I priced a Aqualink or an Aquapure module or cell, and it's like $800, $1,000, and I would have to install it into this stuff here. I don't want to cut the pipes and put it in. There's no more Aquapure module in here anywhere. It looks like it was here or somewhere, but doesn't matter now. I'm not going to use it. Looks like it burned up. So there's a pool guy that comes in and takes care of this pool, so he can do the chlorine. I don't want to do it, so that's fine. But I wanted to rip out all this stuff, which this is all the stuff that was used for the Aquapure. I figured, if nothing else, this thing's taking power. When it's turned on, it's taking a lot of power. Maybe not, but I don't know what this thing's doing, so I'm gonna probably put this on eBay. Anyway, this was bolted up to the chassis, and they threw a bunch of heatsink compound on it, which makes sense. It must get bloody hot, but anyway. So this stuff will go for sale. I'm not sure if people need it, but probably lightning blows out these boards and people want them. So this greatly simplifies my my endeavor here. So I can just put this back together, put the board back in here. I'll have a hole right here, but who cares? And I'll live happily ever after. So I've greatly simplified this in here without a bunch more wires. And I guess I'm going to use this cable for talking to the Superflow pump. I will attach these wires here to the relays, and those will control 4 speeds. So again, I need to get myself another relay because I need a couple more. Okay, well, thanks for watching. That's the update on the Aqualink 2.0 and what's going on. Take care. Have a great day.